Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled deep in a lush forest, there lived a young man named Siddhartha. Siddhartha was curious, thoughtful, and constantly seeking answers to the deeper questions of life. He wanted to understand the mind, and he longed for true inner peace. One day, he heard whispers of a wise Buddhist monk who lived atop a nearby mountain. This monk was said to know the secrets of meditation and the control of the mind. Filled with curiosity and hope, Siddhartha decided to journey to the monk. Determined to learn the ways of inner calm, Siddhartha packed lightly and set out early the next morning. He trekked through thick forests, crossed streams, and climbed rocky paths. Each step was a challenge, each turn a test of his determination. After days of travel, Siddhartha finally reached the mountaintop. There, in the morning sunlight, he saw the monk sitting in serene meditation. The monk's face radiated peace and wisdom. Siddhartha approached humbly and asked, "Honorable monk, please guide me. Teach me how to calm the mind and find true peace." The monk opened his eyes gently and smiled. "Sit with me, Siddhartha, and I will show you the path. But first, let me tell you a story." The monk spoke softly. "Imagine a river flowing fiercely through the heart of the forest. Its waters are wild and turbulent, pulling leaves and branches along in every direction. That river is your mind, Siddhartha. It is constantly pulled by distractions, worries, and desires. But look closely. Floating on the river is a lotus flower untouched by the chaos. That lotus is the mind in perfect peace. Meditation is the practice of finding that lotus within yourself." Siddhartha listened intently, his heart opening to the words. The monk instructed him, "Sit comfortably, back straight, gently closed. Notice your breath, feel it flowing naturally in and out. Each inhale, each exhale. Be present with it." Siddhartha obeyed, taking a deep breath and letting the rhythm of his body guide him. Now, the monk continued, "Thoughts will come. You will feel urges, memories, worries. This is natural, but do not chase them. Let them pass like clouds drifting across the sky. Return your attention to the gentle flow of your breath." Days turned into weeks. Siddhartha practiced diligently, observing his breath, noticing thoughts without judgment, letting them pass. Slowly, he discovered a profound calm growing within him. The turbulent river of his mind began to settle, and the lotus of inner peace blossomed. Meditation is not the absence of thoughts, the monk explained, but the creation of a space of non-judgmental awareness. Siddhartha realized that through regular meditation, he could cultivate mindfulness, compassion, and clarity of mind. He practiced walking slowly, observing nature, and reflecting silently. Every day, his mind became more resilient, calm, and clear like the lotus floating untouched by the river's current. Breathe in and out. Notice the thoughts that arise, then let them go. Return to your breath. Repeat 3-2 for cycles. Siddhartha felt peace he had never known before. His mind was strong yet gentle, focused yet free. He understood that true meditation was the key to mastering the self. When Siddhartha finally descended the mountain, he carried the gift of meditation with him, he returned to his village eager to share the wisdom with others. The moral of the story is clear. Meditation allows us to find our inner lotus by observing our breath, acknowledging thoughts without attachment, and practicing daily. We can cultivate a tranquil mind amidst life's chaos. Siddhartha became known as Gautama Buddha, the Awakened One. He dedicated his life to teaching meditation and spreading the path to enlightenment. Remember, the true path to inner peace lies within yourself. Begin by sitting quietly, breathing, and noticing the lotus within your mind. If this story inspired you, take a moment today to observe your breath. Reflect and find your calm. And if you want more stories and practices to guide your mind and spirit, subscribe and join us on this journey of mindfulness and inner growth.